Hi, so today we're gonna use Google Slide to create a duality portrait. This is this one, I did this one earlier, but I'm gonna show you how I did this step by step without using Photoshop. Okay, so we're just using Google Slide. So you just open a new Google Slide, open a blank page, then you're going to, I already have my image right here, but you can just insert image. You can upload from your computer. If you save in your drive, you can do that by URL. You just insert your photo. When it comes to photo, mine's kind of serious. I would suggest you to try to play around with your facial expression, do something funny, play around, try different pictures and see which one comes out better. Okay, so this is how it goes. So first you're going to copy the image. So I have a Mac, so it's Command C. If you have a PC, it would be Control C, and then Command E for paste. I'm gonna move it next to this one, and I'm gonna copy another one. So you're gonna have three. Okay, so when you see that red line going across, that means everything it's aligned. So they're like aligned. Okay, so first we're gonna do the one on the left. You're going to cut this. Basically, you're gonna crop this image. So you're gonna select this image. You're gonna click select crop, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna get the you're gonna pretty much just cut it halfway. This might not work, but might work. So after that, you're going to just um, click it away. You're gonna copy this. So after, oh, this is not the center. So I'm gonna Command C for undo. So I'm gonna do it one more time. Might work, sometimes it might not. So let's try that and see if that's gonna work. So I'm gonna Command C again to copy that and paste it. So as you can see, this is a copy of what I crop. Okay, so I'm gonna use this arrow. I'm gonna move it to this side, to the right, and there it goes. And you're gonna just put it back together to line it up. And here is my sister, I guess. Not a version of me, but it's different. Okay, so we're gonna do it on this side now. So instead, for this one, I basically saved the crop the right side out and save the left side. And this time I'm gonna do the opposite. I'm gonna crop, same thing. You select the image and you click crop image. Then you're going to just crop the image in half. So you want to try to, oh, see, you need to, sometimes it does this, it didn't crop, it just move it over. So to undo it, just Command Z or Control Z, or just click undo right here will be fine. So again, I'm gonna try it one more time. Hopefully this time it worked. Sometimes when it shows like there's a gray area, this one my laptop didn't show, but when it kind of, when you do this and it has a gray area, it tells you that it worked. Okay, so I click it away, and I'm gonna do the same. Command C for copy, and then Command V for paste. So I'm gonna move it over to excuse me, move it over to this side. Hopefully I'm gonna adjust it later, so I'm gonna see, that might be a little more maybe. Okay, so, oh, there's a line going through my face, so I need to move it over a little bit. So there you go. I think that doesn't look normal. Move it over a little bit, because my glasses, you can tell that it doesn't look right. Okay, it kind of looked like that, but then so something like that. But when you crop it, maybe you can adjust it. I might just have to move it a little over, because I don't want to see that white line going through my face. So it's gonna look a little bit different. Okay, you know what? I'll leave it like this, but you get the point.